Okay guys, small video. What I'm gonna do is, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it right, but these things are cooked. So what I'm gonna do is check the switch is still good. The other part, it's here, same thing. So what I'm gonna do is replace the terminal. Have another 3-pound, 3-pole. I have a 4-pole. I'm gonna do the same job. So let me set up, and I'm gonna deal with it. So, okay. First thing first. I have to find some to see where the wire gonna be still flexible. I figure it's gonna be around here. So take that and cut it here. Next, like I say, only thing that's important is to have the right gauge. For right gauge of terminal with the jug and ham. So I don't know where I put my wire stripper, so I'm using this method. Pretty much how wire stripper works. It's but you have to be careful. So. There you go. Okay, I like what I saw. It's ratchet type crimper. So what I do, and there you go. You have a crimp wire.
So let me do that, and I'm gonna come back. Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay. As you can see, I have a brand new terminal all crimped. Now I'm checking the switch. Maybe, yeah. Maybe? I'm not sure. But anyway, now I'm checking the switch. Switch on off position. On position. It's working. Off. Push. Push to lock. Park. Okay, that's good. Now for the other wire, for the parking light. So it's gonna light on position, gonna work. Push, lock, and parking, and it's working. So I know the repair is good, switch is good, and the only thing I have to do now is to take the housing and just look at the way that should go. Okay, should go like this. So really it's going to be like one. Here clicking. Another one. Here clicking. And the other one. Very click. And now you have a repair switch. Okay. The fourth, it don't matter with this kind of connector. They're not like a Delphi Packard type of water tight connector. So you cannot do too much. So that's why I don't matter to use instead of a 3 pin type, I use a 4 pin and leave one open. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the harness and make sure that the corresponding color gonna match the switch, and that should be it. It's not a big job. The only thing I would advise is a good crimper. I like those ratchet type crimper. They're doing like a factory job. It's and multimeter. Don't need that expensive. That's a scope, but you can use it as a multimeter too. So it's. I think the first one, I have a couple of them. So I'm gonna finish up the job and let you show what I did. Okay, so I crimp everything. So what I do, put the housing next to the wire, next to the other connector, and you can see pretty much reasoning of that is you just take and push it in, clip it in, looking at the color of next connector, same thing here. Here. Okay, and you double check if it's got the right colors, so it is, and you push it in, make sure everything is tight. Okay, look good. So the color matching, and it should clip right on. And there you go. A brand new connector. It's fixed. It's not expensive to do. I think one of those connector kits is about $2-3, and you have a brand new connector. So that is it. Last week, I didn't put video because I was doing a safety check on my friend's bike. So, well, I can show the bike if you want to. This is the bike I did work on it. It was just a safety check on this kind of bike. You know, make sure that everything is a-okay. Only thing I find out is that the throttle was not coming back as fast as I would like. So I removed the, I tell him you better remove the cruise control you have on that. And still it's still driving, so dragging a little bit. So, and I think it's the return cable. It was maybe kink somewhere inside the shield. So I suggest them to replace that cable. But for the rest, the bike is pretty nice. I would say oil filter is hard to get at it, and it's the rest of it's no more maintenance. So have a nice day.